Alright guys, welcome to another Attractions Adventures here from Disneyland Paris. Now, this episode, I've been kind of doing episodes where I'm just walking around the park, but this thing that we're going to do today, I wanted to have its own vlog episode because this might take a while. We are here outside of Alice's Curious Labyrinth in Fantasyland. And it's a labyrinth. It really is amazing there that you could get lost. In fact, Sidney...
I have gotten lost. Back when this place was still called Euro Disneyland, I came here, it was probably 1992 or something, and I got lost and my parents couldn't find me and a cast member found me. And I still remember it to this day, so that was the coolest thing ever.
So we are here, we're going to try our hand at this. We'll see how long it takes for us to get through here. Looks like there's a lot of fun stuff in there to see, so come along. Literally going into this labyrinth, this like hedge maze. Oh man.
This is so cool.
Memories?
Oh my god.
How old were you when you did this?
4? 3 or 4?
So it's definitely been a while. Alright, so you have to immediately start making choices here.
Let's go this way.
Do you remember?
No idea.
Alright. We'll go this way. Yep, go back, okay. There. Let's go this way. Oh.
There's a door!
We have to go through a door. Sidney is very excited.
I feel like I'm 4 years old again. Can you make it, thanks?
Hush. There really is so many ways you can go in this labyrinth. Maybe I can hold this phone up and get it looking.
No, that's cheating. You stop
darn
that. I wonder if the Cheshire Cat is around here anywhere.
Well, I would hope so. I mean, there's a big floral thing of him up there.
Well, there's the caterpillar.
Hey! Found the caterpillar. Having himself a nice smoke there.
Aww. You.
Oh, look, wait. Hey, I see Cheshire. There he is. I wonder how you get to him.
I don't know. We gotta figure that out.
I definitely feel like we're going the right way. Look at this little area here. Oh,
Outward, come and join the chase.
this is the same background music as the Mad Tea Party area at Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, it's the caucus race.
Yeah, I love this music.
Bottom to the top.
Yeah, we're going down. We've gone downhill. Now we gotta go uphill. All right, so we came from over there, down to here. Now right here next to the Cheshire Floral. Now the Cheshire Catwalk. We'll go this way. Look at these. This is really cool looking. This is this way or that way. Let's go this way. Nope, dead end. This way. Lots of little dead end areas. But we are going to go this way. Nope. Okay. Should have followed Sidney. And we have made it out to that area, and they're painting the roses red. Queen of Hearts. Queen of Hearts this way, and then over this way to the unbirthday party. Oh, but I think it's the exit, isn't it?
I think so.
Did we find our way through?
I don't know. Queen of Hearts.
We'll go. All right, let's go to the Queen of Hearts.
Alright, so when I was a kid, I remember coming over here and it was absolutely downpouring. Like, there was rain for days, literally. And I remember being the only kid in the labyrinth at the time, and the Queen of Hearts was broken. You're supposed to be able to go up to her and push a button. She jumps up and says, "Off with your heads." But she was broken, but I was the only kid that day that found her. So let's go see if I can recreate that and find her again.
Which way are you going to go?
This way.
This way? Nope, that is a dead end. So let's... Oh, hello. Hey, did you get a dead end, Sidney?
I did go to a dead end. There she is!
There she was. You found her.
Just like I remember. Yeah, I remember being 4 years old and finding this door and going like that. And the audio was still going, but she wasn't going. So I peeked in and I found her.
Awesome. Oh, let's look at
30
this.
years later, I'm remembering this.
Look at this thing right here. Are we able to go inside this? Maybe.
Possibly.
All right, another path splitting here. Let's try this way. Nope. But there's a card guy here. Oh, whoa, that's definitely a dead end. Okay. That's cool.
The bridge. Get it? It's a car joke.
Oh yeah, people are up there. You can go up there.
Yeah.
Wait, is that Hidden Mickey? Hidden Mickey!
Apparently she.
Oh, there she is too. She's following us off with our heads.
Right or left, B?
Left.
Left it is. Nope.
Okay, that's a dead end. I am very bad at this. I'm always getting dead ends. Man, this is a long labyrinth.
Yeah.
All right, looks like we've made it over here to the castle. So we'll head on inside here. All right, upward, Monte.
Let's go. Queen Hearts has a really windy castle.
Right? Really windy maze. A lot of things are windy in Wonderland.
She's a real card, I'd say.
Boo. All right, we've made it up here to the top. And you get a good overview of the entire maze here. And a really nice view of Fantasyland itself. Gorgeous. There's the castle. Over there's the Small World, the old mill. Discovery Land over there. Love it. This is really nice. Looks like there used to be a slide down. You can get down. They walled it off, but that would have been really cool to do. But we're going to take the stairs instead.
The stairs are a little angled, so it's kind of scary going down.
Yeah, I almost lost my footing once already. All right. We are down and clear. And then you exit out over here at the unbirthday party, which would probably take you over into the teacups, but the teacups right now are being refurbished while we're here, so no unbirthday party for us.